Everyone. Today I am going to discuss GOC related another most important topic, basic strength. Basic strength related any problem you can solve in this lecture. Now basic strength. First concept, Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius theory state that which produces H plus ion in water is called acid, and a substance which produces OH minus ion in water is called base. This is called Arrhenius theory. Now second, Bronsted-Lowry theory. An acid is produced, H plus donor is called acid, H plus donor is called acid, and base, proton acceptor, H plus acceptor, this is called base. And third, Lewis acid base theory state that Lewis acid electron pair acceptors, this is lone pair. Lewis base, that means lone pair donor is called Lewis base. Now start basic nature of compounds. Proportional to strength of electron donating group. Acid nature of the compound depends on strength of electron withdrawing group, but basic nature of the compound depends on strength of electron donating group. Electron donating group increase, so basic nature increase. Now strength of electron donating group means plus R effect plus I effect J effect. That means resonance effect, inductive effect, and hyperconjugation effect. The basic nature of the compound depends on electron donating group. Remember this thing. This is plus R, plus I, and plus H. This plus R, plus I, and plus H increase, so basic strength increase. Now second, this 1 by strength of electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group, the strength electron withdrawing group increase, so basic strength decrease. Reverse. Proportional to strength of electron withdrawing group means minus R, minus I, minus H. That means resonance, inductive effect, and hyperconjugation effect. Now example. In case of this compound N, suppose this is CH3, this is CH3. Second, this is similar N, this is H, and this is N, CH3, and H. Order of basicity, ABC, order of basicity. First check electron donating group. This is CH3 electron donating group. This is plus I effect. This is plus I effect. And there is 1 plus I effect. CH3 1 plus I effect is there. So this is 2 plus I effect. This is 2 plus I effect, and this is 1 plus I effect. Now we know the strength of electron donating group increase, so basic strength increase. So 2 plus A effect, there is 1 plus A effect, and there is no plus A effect. So the basicity order A greater than C greater than B, because plus A effect increase, basicity increase. This is the order. CH3 CH2 NH2. Now CH3 CH double bond NH. Now CH3 C triple bond N. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now basicity order calculate. Now first check hybridization. There is lone pair, there is lone pair. Now the hybridization in organic compound hybridization in my previous video I have already discussed. Now hybridization calculate sigma bond plus lone pair plus negative charge. This is hybridization. This is 2, this is sp hybridization. This is 3, this is sp2 hybridization. This is 4, this is sp3 hybridization. Now there is 2 sigma bond is there. There is CH3 CH2 N lone pair, hydrogen is there. So 1 2, so 3 sigma and 1 lone pair is there. So total 4. So 4 means sp3. So this is sp3 hybridization. Now this is one double bond means 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, and lone pair is there. So there is 1 sigma bond. So 2 sigma 1 lone pair, 2 sigma 1 lone pair. So total 3 means sp2. So this is sp2 hybridization. This is the 3 bond 1 sigma 2 pi. Pi does not count, only sigma. So 1 sigma and 1 lone pair. 1 sigma plus 1 lone pair. So lone pair. So total 2 means sp hybridization. This is sp hybridization. Now first sp, sp2, sp3 percentage of S character. This is 50% S character. This is 33.3 3% S character, and this is 25% S character. This is 50%. Now in SP, SP2, SP3, percentage of S character. Now percentage of S character increase, electronegativity increase, and minus I effect increase. Now percentage of S character order, SP greater than SP2 greater than SP3. So and this is electronegativity, similar electronegativity order, SP, SP2, SP3. This is minus I effect order, similar this order. Now minus I effect increase, basicity decrease. Now there is SP3 hybridization, there is SP2 hybridization, there is SP hybridization. So the basicity order A greater than, this is A, this is B, this is C, because minus I effect increase, basicity decrease. This is NH, this is 4-member ring NH, this is 5th member ring containing NH. This is A, this is B, this is C. Order acidic strength, basic strength order. Now first, this is sp3 hybridization, this is also sp3 hybridization, this is sp3 hybridization. Now we know percentage of S character proportional to 1 by ring size. That means ring size increase, percentage of S character decrease. So up this 3-member, 4-member, 5-member, this is ring size increase, this side ring size increase, so percentage of S character decrease. We know percentage of S character proportional to electronegativity, proportional to minus I effect, proportional to 1 by basicity. That means percentage of S character increase, electronegativity increase, minus I effect increase, basicity decrease. Now this is the order, this is basis ring size increase, percentage of S character decrease. Now the basicity order, first discuss minus I effect, percentage of S character order, this is A greater than B greater than C. Now electronegativity order, similar A greater than B greater than C, minus I effect, similar A greater than B greater than C. Now basicity order reverse, so this is C greater than B greater than A. This is the basicity order. NR3 having lone pair and ring, this is lone pair, and similar this is the lone pair. Now basicity order A, B, C, basicity order calculate. First remember this thing, in open structure N, R, R, R having alkyl group, lone pair, this lone pair are not available because in this is called pyramidal inversion. This is pyramidal structure. Now after the lone pair, this is pyramidal inversion. So lone pair are not available for donation. So this is least basic. So this is called pyramidal inversion in open structure. Remember this thing. So N, R, 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 lone pair. So lone pair is inversion. So lone pair are not available for donation. So this is the least, so not available. So this is pyramidal inversion. So open structure pyramidal inversion is there. So lone pair not available for donation. This is least basic. Now there is not open structure. This is not open structure. So this is the more basic. Now what is the more basic? C is the more basic because this is more plus I effect. This is least plus I effect. Now this is all are sp3 hybridization, and this is also sp3 hybridization. So this is pyramidal inversion. So this is least basic. Now the basicity order C greater than B greater than A, because C there is plus I effect, more plus I effect. This is one CH2 group, so this is least plus I effect, and this is also the pyramidal inversion. So this is least basic. So this is the order C greater than B greater than A. Another example, this is pyridine, aniline, pyrrole, CH3, CH2, NH2. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Add order of the basicity. So first calculate hybridization. This is sp2 hybridization. This is sp2 hybridization because this lone pair conjugation take place. So lone pair does not consider for hybridization. Now this is lone pair conjugation. After conjugation, this is sp2 hybridization. Now this is sp3 hybridization. and this is also sp2 hybridization because lone pair conjugation. So this is sp2 hybridization plus this is also sp2 hybridization. Now this is sp2 hybridization. We know electronegativity order that is first percentage of s character order sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. We know percentage of s character and electronegativity increase, so minus I effect increase, minus I effect similar order sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. Minus I effect increase, basicity decrease, decrease. Now sp3 is more basic than sp2 than sp. Now there is sp3 and 2 all are sp2 hybridization, so this is more basic, so option D, basicity order, first option D is more basic. Then check option A, B and C. Now option C, there is lone pair are not available for donation because these are aromatic system after conjugation, so there is one lone pair after conjugation to form the aromatic system, so lone pair are not available for donation, so this is least basic, so option C is least basic. Now option A, there is already aromatic system, so lone pair are available for donation, so option B is more basic than option A is more basic than option B. So D, A, B, C is the order of basicity. Now basicity of aliphatic amines, this is most important. Now in case of CH3NH2, CH3NH, CH3N, CH3CH3. Now this is 1 degree amine, this is 2 degree amine, this is 3 degree amine, because nitrogen attached to 1 carbon, this is 1 degree, nitrogen attached to 2 carbon, this is 2 degree, nitrogen attached to 3 carbon, this is 3 degree amine. Remember this thing. Now basicity of aliphatic amines is controlled by three factor. First factor is inductive effect, second factor is steric effect, third factor is solvation energy. One by one. First, inductive effect. Inductive effect in case of CH3NH to CH3NH, CH3 and CH3N, CH3, CH3. This is 3 degree amine, this is 2 degree amine, this is 1 degree amine. Now we know plus I effect increase, basicity increase because lone pair donation ability increase. So there is plus I effect, there is plus I effect, there is plus I effect. So 3 plus I effect, there is 2 plus I effect, and there is 1 plus I effect. So plus I effect increase, basicity increase. So the basicity order 3 degree amine greater than 2 degree amine greater than 1 degree amine in case of inductive effect. Now second, I discuss steric effect. Steric effect in case of NH2 CH3, CH3 NH, CH3, in CH3 N, CH3 and CH3. Now there is 3 CH3, so there is repulsion is there, CH3 repulsion is there, so donation of lone pair ability are decreased. There is 2 CH3, there is 1 repulsion is there, there is 2 repulsion and there is no repulsion. Now in steric effect, basicity order 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree because lone pair availability or donation. There is 3 degree amine, there is 2 CH3 are repulsion is there, there is 1 CH3 repulsion is there, there is no CH3 repulsion is there, so no repulsion, so lone pair donation ability increase. So 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Now third I discuss solvation energy. This is solvation energy. Now in case of RNH2 means CH3NH2 in presence of H plus, basicity means lone pair donation H plus accept, so CH3N plus H. After solvation means hydrogen bonding water. In water, there is 3 hydrogen bonding in water, this is solvation. Now in case of CH3 2 degree amine, there is there is having lone pair donation H plus to form CH3N CH3, one hydrogen, two hydrogen is there, so two hydrogen bonding is there. There is two hydrogen bonding, there is three hydrogen bonding, and 3 degree amine, so CH3 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 in presence of H plus, so donation to form CH3, one hydrogen, this is CH3 CH3 CH3, one hydrogen bonding is there. Now number of hydrogen bonding increase, solvation energy increase. So basicity, this is 3 degree less than 2 degree less than 1 degree. So 1 degree is more basic because 1 degree 3 hydrogen bonding is there, 2 degree 2 hydrogen bonding is there, 3 degree 1 hydrogen bonding is there. Solvation energy increase, so basicity increase. So 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Now question is that in vapor phase or gaseous phase or non-polar solvent or polar aprotic solvent. In case vapor phase, gaseous phase, non-polar solvent or polar aprotic solvent, all the answer is same. Inductive effect are predominant. This is the order of basicity order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So this is the basicity order. Remember this thing. In case of vapor phase, gaseous phase or non-polar solvent or polar aprotic solvent, inductive effect predominant factor. So the inductive effect we know, this is 3 degree amine greater than 2 degree amine greater than 1 degree amine. It is the basicity order. Now in case of water or in polar protic solvent, the basicity order change. Basicity order is 2 degree greater than 1 degree greater than 3 degree when R equal to CH3. This is the amine R equal to CH3. This is the basicity order. So in gaseous phase, vapor phase or non-polar solvent or polar aprotic solvent, inductive effect are predominant 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree amine. This is the basicity order. But in case of water or polar protic solvent, so basicity order change. This is 2 degree greater than 1 degree greater than 3 degree when R equal to CH3. Remember this thing. Now basicity order, proportional to Kb. Kb means basic ionization constant. The basic ionization constant increase, basicity increase. But 1 by pKb, we know pKb equal to minus of log of Kb. So Kb increase, pKb decrease. This is negative. So pKb increase, so basicity decrease. Now OH minus concentration increase, basicity increase. This is the order 1 by POH. 1 by Ka. Ka means acid dissociation constant. Acid dissociation constant increase, so basicity decrease. So pKa directly proportional. So pKa increase, basicity increase. 1 by H plus concentration increase, basicity decrease. pH increase, basicity increase. Now example, CH3 CH2 NH2 CH3 CH3 NH2. Now CH2 NH2 Cl. Now CH Cl CH2 NH2. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Now basicity order, Kb order, pKb order, Ka order, pH order. Calculate. Now first hybridization calculate. All are sp3 hybridization. Then check Plaza effect. There is Plaza effect, one Plaza effect. There is having the one Plaza effect. But this is 2 degree amine, this is 1 degree. This is 2 degree alkyl group, this is 1 degree alkyl group. Now there is minus effect. Cl having the minus effect, 2 minus effect there. There is 2 Cl is there, 2 minus effect there. First I discuss Plaza effect increase, basicity increase, minus effect increase, basicity decrease. Now 2 degree alkyl group greater than 1 degree alkyl group. So this is the order. So this is 1 degree alkyl group, this is 2 degree alkyl group. Now this is Plaza effect, this is also Plaza effect. So basicity order, first B greater than A. Then check C and D. C, D having 2 minus A effect and C having 1 minus A effect. So 2 minus A effect increase, basicity decrease. So option C first, then option D. So this is the order of basicity. B greater than A, greater than C, greater than D. First check basicity, first check plus A effect, then check minus A effect. Plus A effect increase, basicity increase, minus A effect increase, basicity decrease. Now KB value, KB, we know KB proportional to basicity. So KB, this is the similar order. This is the similar order. B greater than A, greater than C, greater than D. Now PKB, this is the reverse order. We know this is D greater than C, greater than A, greater than B. Now KA is similar. This is the reverse order. This is D greater than C, greater than A, greater than B. And PH, this is the basicity order. So this is B greater than A, greater than C, greater than D. Next day I will discuss more conceptual video. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.